what's up, YouTube? Anyway, we decided to make another vid. This is Robin.
I'm Sarah.
Yeah, okay. Anyway, so, what's up, Sarah?
I'm crying. I don't know why.
Why are you crying? Are you sad?
I'm not quite sure why I'm crying. My eyes are producing wetness.
There's other things that produce wetness.
Oh! Yeah.
Okay. Besides me being a pervert.
We have a Pikachu card wherever you just put it.
Oh, right there. Yeah. That's an $80 Pokemon card. It's worth $80. Believe it or not.
I never even liked Pokemon. I just thought he was cute because he was always on TV all the time. He'd go, Pika!
Pikachu.
I know, he'd go, Pika! Like
all the Pika! Pikachu!
No, Pika.
No.
I don't know. I never used to watch this show.
Well, that's because you're a loser face.
You're a little fuck. You're a little fuck. You're a little fuck. You're a little fuck.
Come on,
I'm fat, by the way, YouTube.
Yeah, because you're about as
Look at
big as a stick. Well, if you stop eating, like
if you stop eating, maybe you wouldn't be so fat.
I mean, if you stopped, like, eating, like,
all the
really
time.
junky food. That's what she said.
I wish tummies could just eat their own fat and just, like, go yum 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 and all the fat would be gone. No one knows what I'm talking about.
Oh, yeah.
Well, you're a bitch.
You don't need to know that. No, I'm not. I'm really not. Yeah.
I was trying to, like... No, I actually had to cough.
Get by with little help from my friends.
I had a frog in my throat. He was eating me.
You have that often? There's always things going in and out of her throat. Woo!
Bananas.
Dance party.
Oh.
Dance party.
There's a place downtown where the freaks are come around. It's a roar in the mall. It's a dirty freak around.
Other things that are really interesting I can find in my room.
Ooh.
Oh. This is my parrot. Anyway.
So much to care about your parrot. Go ahead.
Watch. Hello! Hello! Hello!
Penis.
Penis! Okay!
Wait. Fuck you.
Wait. Fuck you. Wait. Fuck you.
Fuck. Sounds like you're saying dog.
I know. Wait, go. Fuck.
Fuck.
There we go. Oh, okay.
Bye-bye, birdie!
Oh, you're supposed to bye, birdie. Go, bye, birdie.
I'm hardcore with these glasses, and you all know it.
I can see myself like clapping in the mirror behind me. And I'm like in slow motion. Like I'm really stupid. Can you see me? Look in the mirror.
That's funny. That's funny.
I'm like retarded. Wait. Like in slow motion. No, like watch it.
Like in slow motion?
I love it in slow motion.
Oh dear, Sarah.
I'm still putting that part on YouTube so Greg can see that.
Oh, I love Greg. Not really.
I
No, I do. No, you love him.
No,
Yeah.
call me freaking Canadian. No offense to Canadians. I love Canadians, but...
Well, she is Canadian. She kind of... That would be like masochistic if you just hated yourself.
Not freaking Canadian.
And I'm not Southern.
Michigander.
That sounds even gayer.
I'm Michigander.
But you're from Tennessee.
No, I'm from Michigan. I lived in Tennessee for 5 months.
But you're still from Tennessee. Oh
Alright, you guys, I put the best YouTube video in the whole entire world. It's called Nom 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 Fun. Oh my god, you have to check it out. It goes nom 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 nom
I'm a purser.
Oh, you fuzzy little man, Peach.
I have a condo for your condo needs.
I thought you almost said condom. For your condom needs.
Nice